In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wayfair promo codes online. This is a great way to save some extra money when shopping for your home, so let's dive in and get started with this step-by-step guide. First things first, open your web browser and head over to wayfair.com. This is your starting point for the entire process. Wayfair regularly updates its website with all kinds of new merchandise, so you're sure to find something you need or want. Once you're on the site, the second step is to log into your account. If you haven't already signed up, there's an easy registration process that only takes a few minutes. Make sure you're using your own account, as promo codes are typically tied to individual users. Now that you're logged in, it's time to hunt for a promo code. These codes can often be found in promotional emails from Wayfair if you're subscribed to their newsletters, or sometimes through selected online coupon websites. Keep an eye out for deals that are specific to categories that interest you, like furniture, lighting, or outdoor decor. Once you have a promo code in hand, the fun begins: shopping. Browse through the wide array of items Wayfair has to offer and add anything you like to your cart. To do this, simply click on the item you're interested in, select any applicable options such as size or color, and hit Add to Cart. You can keep track of your potential purchases by viewing your cart, usually represented by an icon at the top right of the screen. When you're ready to make your purchase, click on the cart icon to review the items you've selected. It's always a good idea to double-check quantities and ensure you've got everything you need. From here, the next step is to go to the checkout page. You'll find this by clicking the Proceed to Checkout button, which will take you to a summary of your order. Here comes the crucial part: applying your promo code. On the checkout page, there's typically a box where you can enter your promo code. It might say Enter Promo Code or Apply Discount Code. Just enter the code you have and click Apply. If the code is valid, you should see the discount reflected in your total amount. Finally, with the discount applied, you're all set to complete your purchase. Review your order one last time to ensure everything looks correct, and then proceed to pay. You can choose your preferred payment method and enter your details to finalize the transaction. And there you have it. You've successfully used a promo code on Wayfair. Make sure to look out for more promotions in the future to keep saving on all your home purchases. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.